My name is Trapti Parekh. Currently, I am working as a legal intern in Laxis and Company. The Punjab and Haryana High Court said social acceptance for living relationship on rise. No difference between married and living couples seeking protection. In this video, we will discuss in a significant ruling the Punjab and Haryana High Court on May 18 said that an individual has the right to formalize the relationship with the partner through marriage or to adopt the non-formal approach of a living relationship. The bench of Justice Sudhir Mittal observed thus in a matter pertaining to a living relationship couple who were both mature and decided to enter into such a relationship as they are sure of their feeling each other. The court observed that the Constitutional Court grants the protection to the couple who have married against the wishes of their respective parents. They seek the protection of life and liberty from their parents and family members who disapprove of the alliance. An identical situation exists where the couple has entered into a living relationship. The only difference is that the relationship is not universally accepted. Would that make any difference? The court further observed that there was no difference as the couple feared for their safety from relatives in both situations and not from the society, and thus they are entitled to the same relief. The court also observed the right to life and liberty is enriched in the Constitution of India, and that said right includes the right of an individual to the full development of his or her potential in accordance with his or her choice and wish, and for such purpose he or she is entitled to choose a partner of his or her choice. Court also noted that the concept of living relationship crept into the society from Western nation and initially found acceptance in the metropolitan cities, probably because individuals felt the formalization of a relationship through a marriage was not necessary for complete fulfillment. Noting that education played a great role in the development of the concept, the court added that slowly the concept has percolated into small towns and villages, also as is evident in the petition. This shows that social acceptance for living relationship is on the increase. The court importantly remarked that in law, such a relationship is not prohibited, nor does it amount to commission of any offense, and thus, in my considered view, such persons are entitled to equal protection of law as any other citizens of the country. The law postulates that the life and liberty of every individual is precious and must be protected irrespective of individual. Lastly, nothing that no citizen can be permitted to take the law in his own hand in a country governed by the rule of law. The court disposed of the plea with a direction to respondent number 2 to consider their representation and to provide appropriate protection to them if found necessary. This significant observation from the Punjab and Haryana High Court comes days after the High Court refused to grant protection to living couple who allegedly face threat from the girl's family's issue their elopement, while nothing that if such protection is claimed is granted, the entire social fabric of the society would get disturbed. The bench of Justice Anil Keshtrapal in its order noted that the petitioner number 1, whose girl is barely 18-year-old, whereas petitioner number 2 is 21-year-old. They claim to be residing together in a living relationship and claim protection of the life and liberty from the relatives of petitioner number 1. Further, in yet another order denying protection to a living couple, the Punjab and Haryana High Court in the last week refused protection to a living couple who approached the court after they faced opposition to their relationship. Justice M.S. Madan in a traitor's order charged the couple with approaching the court so as to obtain as a seal of approval on their morally and socially not accepted relationship. The order passed by the court is that as a matter of the fact, the petitioner in the grab of filing the present petition are seeking seal of approval on their living relationship, which is normally and socially not accepted, and protection order in the petition can be passed. So here is the ruling. I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe my video. Subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.